saying, don't use a mirror, use a camera, record yourself, and flow without trying to flow to the camera. Now, there's multiple elements to that. There's also like, oh, well, how are my lines? Are my lines representative of what I want them to be in a performance? But then that's all contextual. Are you in a round when you're performing? Are you in a U? Are you in a flat? These are different performance stages. They all become a relevant part of the experience as you're presenting yourself. I mean, the reality is most people who are posting videos are at the level where they could do a performance for friends and family that would be impressive. They really are. If you're already at the place where you're comfortable doing a flow in front of a camera and posting it on the internet, you're ready to perform. Now, who you're ready to perform for, who you're comfortable to perform for, and who will want to watch you is a different question than whether or not you can do a performance, right? But like, if you've got enough skills to do a flow, you've got enough skills to do a performance. The rest is about the attitude with which you present it. And attitude is like, I don't know, that's a whole other thing to teach. It's about confidence, it's about belief, it's about the energetic exchange I was just talking about, like this is my technical term for it. With my energy. I mean, but kind of.